Finally, I'm getting to wrap a UTV. This will be my first UTV, so we're gonna start by taking all these stickers off, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get into the disassembly. Let's get right into it. So this side came off extremely easy, but for some reason these stickers, I guess from sitting in the sun, this thing isn't even 2 years old and it's already got glue residue. But the ones on the side that don't get the heat from the sun as much, they're coming off pretty easy. I'll show you guys what I use to actually get that taken care of pretty fast. Alright guys, so we're back in to get this UTV wrapped up. We got the front end already wrapped up and it's looking very good. So all we have left is to go ahead and get these sides wrapped up. This little piece thrown back on. These sides are very simple, just gotta wrap it. A little overlay near the door handle areas and then it's all good to go. So just these 3 pieces and then we're out of here. So there it is, man. Finally got this thing wrapped all the way up. First UTV down. I think it came out pretty sick. Pretty fun wrap, pretty interesting wrap. But as always, if you like content like this, then go ahead and give me a like, a comment, and subscribe so the algorithm can push these videos out to more viewers, and I'll keep pumping these videos out for you guys.